Hey guys, so this is me kickstarting my birthday vlog. Now I was planning to start the vlog at midnight, but then I got surprised with my family, and when I say family, I mean my relatives, my cousins showing up. So it actually started way earlier than I had anticipated. First of all, shout out to this decoration. If you can see, okay, yes, this decoration right here is the remnants. There are still some balloons around, and then there are photos right there. If you can see, there's one on that side. Wait a minute, there's one there, yes, and then there is one here. So yes, they did a little bit of decor yesterday. They also cooked, by the way, pani puri and pav bhaji for me, which I'm gonna show you. And then we were playing Uno, which I'm also gonna show you. And then at midnight, more family friends had gathered. Also, please ignore the hairband. I was actually getting ready, and I wanted my hair out of my face, which is why I put this on. This is not the hairstyle for the day, but yes, coming back, I also want to show you my outfit, but I'm not going to be able to show you much of my outfit right now. I'll do a clip of that as well. So yes, we did that. Then my friends did stay back overnight, because now we're actually heading to a pizza workshop in about an hour and a half ish. So okay, so my hand was hurting. I wanted to quickly show you my dress. It's a full-length dress. This is what it looks like. You're getting a glimpse of it this way. And since my hand was hurting, I figured I will put my phone up on the stand, which I haven't used for any of my long-form content yet, but hopefully I will soon. So we're heading to a pizza workshop. Backtracking on last night, a lot of musty, a lot of fun happened. I'm going to share all of those clips in a few seconds. And then now we're heading to the pizza workshop, which I'm going to share post that once we're on our way. So just want to quickly film this. I have 15 minutes before we leave. It's currently 9:45 a.m. My tat is to reach by 10. No, sorry, we're leaving at 10. We should be there by 11ish, and the workshop starts around 11:30. And it's also pouring, which is my biggest pet peeve, because I didn't want it to rain today, but today is actually the Anant Chaturdashi day. It's the 6th of September. So yes, it's pouring outside right now, which I'm quite concerned about. Okay, gotta go now. Bye.
You take. You don't have to. So you have to take one now.
सेल्फ सर्विस इधर को खाना खा के प्लेट धोने जाएगी।
मेरा ही घर है।
तेरा बर्थडे ये गिर रहा है। बैंड अच्छा
Birthday to you,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harshita. Happy birthday to you. God bless. अभी केक खाओ अरे The workshop included chefs showing us every single step of the process, what brand of flour you should use, what are the proportions you need to mix everything in, from then how you knead the dough, how long you need to even knead it for before it gets ready, and then how you're supposed to like keep it to ferment basically for some time. So yes, here he's adding olive oil, by the way, and then we're going to keep it for the fermentation process. Then he's cutting the tomatoes before we boil it for it to like become soft, so that the skin peels very easily. My friends, my mom, everyone was like peeling the tomatoes, and once the peeling process was done, then we put it in the mixie, I think. No, first we cut the inside of it. So here, he's cutting the seeds which are inside it.
Whose friend are you?
So that part you're supposed to actually remove and separate before you grind it to make the sauce. We've grinded it, and now we have the toppings and the sauce and
ऐसा नहीं करना, okay? You should not lose that, because otherwise you will lose the texture of it. You get it nice round and then you create border. Okay? This is that what gives you a nice good crunch, and then you start pressing it from the center. Now did you see when I press there is an air bubble?
Yeah.
Just keep on stretching this. And जो gluten relax हुआ है, gluten relax होने की वजह से you can stretch your pizza. 1 second, it's nice and easy to digest.
I'm showing you the entire process without cutting out any part of it, of me actually making my base, like, what do you even call it, like from the dough to then making the pizza base, I guess. So I made my own pizza base, and I'm not a pro. I'm obviously not a pro. I am very much at the beginner level. So yes, if you get bored watching me do this in like the full the actual amount of time it took me, which was like what, 2 to 3 minutes, you can definitely fast forward and watch this part.
नहीं हो चुके हैं अच्छा तो मेरे क्या Harshita, are you enjoying your class?
Yes, I am very much enjoying, especially this part.
Yeah?
The hands-on is the best part.
Right? And after that you're going to eat it also, right?
Exactly.
So what are you going to do for me?
Give a good review and take a video of the entire place.
So my videographer will have a small interview of yours. So that you could be together.
Yeah.
Just let me know. Whatever you feel. Right?
Yeah.
Me and Harshita had quite a good discussion.
Yeah.
So if you want a good experience, most welcome. Okay, you are cleaning the air.
Okay, what do I do now? The aakhri part?
Take it on the parchment and then just make sure that it's done.
Shape. So now it's time to actually start putting like the sauce on the base and the toppings and all that. So that's what I'm gonna do next. And there's a lot of chattering, a lot of musty happening in the background here, so you can enjoy that if you want.
मला तेवढं एक्सप्रेशन भेटून द्यायला
देख रही चंक्स है कि नहीं
नहीं भाई, मैं देख रही हूँ कि मैं ज़्यादा डाल रही हूँ, कम डाल रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ?
साइड में से नीचे आना
अब बताना मुझे कम डाल क्या करूँ मैं? बराबर है।
तुम्ही नक्की यांच्या फ्रेंड आहे
यस
आल्यापासून ते रोस्टच करतात
दैट इज स्पेशलिटी
ज़्यादा ज़्यादा देंगे
जॉब
जॉब बट कॉलेज के अंदर हाँ स्लो मोशन
उसको एक हाथ से ही कर दीजिए।
उसमें भी थोड़ा थोड़ा ही
Babe, we'll get pizza today, no?
इसको लास्ट में इसलिए इसको लास्ट में भेजना चाहिए था
Exactly.
अपने मोबाइल से
अब तेरे को लास्ट में जाऊँ
नहीं
ठीक है, नो वरीज, ये ओके।
ये तो टॉपिंग भी डालना बाकी चीज़ें मेरा टॉपिंग है भाई
I know it will be margarita with corn, sweet corn.
जब वो मार्गेटा का स्टोरी बता रहे थे ना
हाँ।
that is
Yeah,
why I
that
love
is-
margherita.
yeah, of course.
अरे वो नहीं रहता उसमें वो क्यों डाल रही है
It is her choice.
मशरूम आलू बचा करके नेक्स्ट शॉट कि तेरे आने तक क्वेश्चन खत्म हो जाए दैट्स अ प्रॉमिस वो 3 मिनट हो गया बनाई रही है अब तक
हाँ यार, हाँ यार।
एक तेरा वीडियो को 3 मिनट है चलो
हाँ यार, पक्का है।
No.
Ready, guys? Ready? Come in the frame, right? Come here.
Happy
Happy birthday, Harshita.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harshita. Happy birthday to you.
I know I purposely did it because it's long
Yeah. Yours with a pizza.
अरे खाना भी अरे वो खत्म नहीं होएगा उसका भी चलता ही रहेगा अरे उसको खिला बट इधर रिएक्शन नहीं आ रहा नहीं अच्छा नहीं है अच्छा नहीं है
The session was very nice. It was
and we had a lot of
interesting.
fun to make our own pizza
Yeah, it was very interesting. शेफ हमारे मराठी भी निकले। तो overall very great experience.
okay so we're heading home from the pizza workshop the reason I'm holding my phone this close is because it's raining so if I hold it far and give you a better angle my hand and my phone is going to be wet so this is the best that we have that we're going to work with all of us are super exhausted right now like super duper exhausted we could just crash for a while part of it is lack of sleep last night the other part of it is we were standing for a lot of the time during the workshop so most of us were like our feet are killing us basically so there is that going home now and I'll keep you posted so while I was editing the vlog, I figured I should come on here and share this in the outro, because you saw the highlights but you didn't see the lowlights, and that is something which obviously no one actually captures to share like this. But I can tell you, we were extremely tired, like even midday post the workshop, and I think that part I did kind of share. But then post that, in the evening, like the dinner was actually not the best. Definitely two of the dishes, like the first two dishes that we ate, were really good, but then there was a very pathetic service from the restaurant itself at dinner basically. So you can see all of our expressions. We're obviously tired, but we're also fed up with how delayed the food was. And keep in mind, this was actually Anant Chaturdashi, 6th of September, obviously, and there wasn't even a lot of staff. There were not a lot of customers at the restaurant itself. I don't want to name the restaurant and like bash them or anything, but I saw them on reels and some food bloggers were really hyping them up, which is why I even went there in the first place, and I kind of regret that whole thing. So that is that. And then the next day I was actually super duper, like I was just exhausted. I couldn't even get out of bed. That is why you are getting this vlog so late, because it's the next week actually since my birthday, and I am trying to catch up on editing so that I can post it. Not super duper late, but at least the next week, like that much you guys deserve. So today is what, the 12th, so technically almost an entire week from my birthday. But yes, hopefully you will see this video either today, tomorrow, or maybe at least in the coming weeks, so it's not too delayed. But yes, that is what I wanted to share towards the end. But yes, I'm gonna go edit this now so that you can see it as soon as possible. Bye guys.